Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So today's video is gonna be how to make liquid lipstick at home. So let's just start the video. We need a container and foundation. So as you can see, I have a foundation in it. It's actually a liquid foundation, and then we need a lipstick. I'm making maroon today. You can take any color, and if you don't have lipstick like old lipstick, so you can also take your eye shades and any pigment. The liquid lipstick, we need to first melt this lipstick so we can easily put that into our foundation. So let's just melt it. After then guys, we have to just mix it up, and let's see. So as you can see guys, it changes its color, and now we have to just mix it. It's all done. Now it's testing time for using it. I am taking earbud, and let's just see its color. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful guys. See this. That's for today's video. Hope you all guys like this, so give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel.